for the moment of truth. What we're doing today is we're reinforcing my inner fender liner with this flex tape. This is waterproof. So I cut this decent sized piece. What I'm gonna do is just kind of like lay it. I'm gonna lay it like across, just so I have a nice buff. That's it. Doing little baby steps, guys. Oh shit. One of the last pieces of the puzzle is officially here. Are you ready to see it? Here it is, guys. We got the EM2 clutch master cylinder. I decided to switch it up. I did not want to go with K-tuned again. My last one was leaking, and I also had a few people reach out to me and they were like, dude, be careful with K-tuned. And yeah, decided to switch it up. So I'm super stoked to try this thing on. Praying that it doesn't rain, because I woke up a little earlier than I normally do before I go to work to get stuff done, guys. So I'm feeling motivated, I'm feeling fueled, and let's get into it. Hook this line up here. All right, guys, a little rusty here. So I had the silver piece turned the other way so I couldn't get the cotter pin in, so I had to rotate it. But we are just finishing up my EM2 CMC install, and then I can go ahead and work on bleeding the clutch guy. All right, CMC's made it up. You guys can see I have the slave here. Before I bleed this, I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease on the end of the ball here. Look at all the air bubbles, guys. Look at that right there. Definitely gonna need this today. It's the moment that I've been waiting for. This is a project that has been dwelling. This is a project that I've been wanting to get done, that I've been putting off, and today I get to see the results. There it is, guys. Good old wiring harness for the whole ECU. Do a little before. I'm just kind of like getting an idea where everything goes. What I'm having problems with is these wires. The MAF wiring and a couple connectors for the ECU are like right next to my shift fork there, my shift lever. So I don't want stuff, when I shift gears, I don't want it banging against things. So I need to like basically relocate a few things. And here comes the rain. Always battling something outside and all the elements. Hopefully I can get this thing going today. I'm getting this thing going today. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, guys. This is absolutely unreal. Unreal, guys. This thing has literally been sitting for like 2 to 3 years, and this is the moment of truth. It's been so long since I've been in an SI. Holy crap. This thing's a mess right now. Look at this thing. We have lights. Oh boy. Absolutely insane. I hear the fuel pump. Oh my god. This is crazy, dude. Key flashing symbol right there. I don't know what that means. I don't know if this key is gonna... if it's actually gonna start, because it has this is, so what's going on right now is I have the same car, different ECU and different keys from my last car. So this is from Midnight, the ECU, These keys are from this shell. So the ECU or the theft system is not recognizing the ECU because it's from a different chassis. Although it's the same car, I'm gonna have to go to Honda today and see if I can figure this out here. If this doesn't work, let's try the second key. Yeah, it's still flashing. It will not, it's not gonna let me start this car, guys. It won't let me start it. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. For the moment of truth. Let's go! Let's go, bro! Dash looking like a Christmas tree right now. I need to figure that out.